Let us talk about Martin Heidegger's phenomenological notion of death. According to Martin Heidegger, in his book Being in Time, death is number one, certain. Number two, death is indefinite. Number three, death is one's property. Death is non-relational. Lastly, death is not to be outstripped. So let us discuss this. Martin Heidegger's phenomenological notion of death. According to Heidegger, death is certain. In his philosophy, we are all born. It is according to Martin Heidegger's mind that we are all born and being thrown into the world. So para bagang tayo ay itinapon sa mundong ito. And this world is governed by time. So tayo ay itinapon sa mundong ito in which this world is governed by time. And therefore, we, humans, are existing in time. And therefore, as being thrown in the world, so we have beginning, and since we are finite beings, we are limited. We also have end. That is our death. So that is our end. So we have the beginning, the time we were born, and there is an end of it, and that is the death. So birth and death are two things we cannot remove from our existence. So whether we like it or not, we will die. So yun ang katotohanan ng buhay natin. Death is certain. Hindi natin pwedeng tanggalin sa pag-iral natin yung tayo ipinanganak at sa huli, tayo ay mamamatay. Lahat tayo ay mamamatay. And according to Heidegger, death is certain. Number 2, death is indefinite. So, while death is sure to come, it is sure to come, it is however indefinite as to when it will come. So, hindi sigurado kung kailan. So, hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo mamamatay. And death is impending, meaning to say it can happen anytime. It's impending. It can happen anytime. Death can happen anytime. We do not know exactly when, kailan, anong oras, anong araw, anong taon, anong buwan. And that's why we should try to live the best life that we can. Because we never know the day of our end. Yun ang pinakamahalaga. So we should try to live the best life. So let us live the best life. Because death is certain. But it is indefinite. So hindi natin alam kung kailan yan dadating. And that is number 2. Second, the phenomenological notion of death, according to Heidegger. Now let us proceed to number 3. Death is one's property, according to Heidegger. The death of the person belongs to him. Wala nang iba. Kamatayan ko ay kamatayan ko. Hindi kamatayan ng iba. Merong kanya-kanya tayo. Death is one's property. Nobody can experience his death except himself. So, yung kamatayan ko ay ako na mismo ang makakaranas. Ganon din naman kayo. Yung kamatayan ninyo ay kayo rin mismo ang makakaranas. There can be no proxies or substitutes for a person in experiencing death. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na ikaw na muna ang mamatay. Yung kamatayan ko, ikaw na muna. Walang proxy. Wala yung substitute. So that is one's property. Atin ito. Next, number 4. So according to Heidegger, death is non-relational. So this means that when we die alone. Death also removes all our relations to others. Death is non-relational. It removes all our relations to others. Yung relasyon ko sa magulang, sa asawa, sa mga anak, relasyon ko sa aking kapwa bilang kaibigan, sa aking mga estudyante, so wala na yan kapag namatay na. In contemplating death, we realize our own individuality and independence from the world. According to Heidegger, itinapon lang sa mundong ito at meron kang individuality. At yung kamatayan ay sa'yo lang, sigurado yan, certain, death is non-relational. Nawawala na yung relasyon natin sa kapwa kapag tayo ay namatay na. So, number 5, death is not to be outstripped. So, death cannot be taken away from a person. And that is the reality. Once you were born, and there is an end of your existence, that is death. So, death cannot be taken away from us. So, even the person himself cannot remove the possibility of death in his life. We cannot remove the possibility of death in our life. Even though we see in fiction movies that idea of immortality, death in real life is a definite reality, which we nothing can be done to be outstripped. It is certain. There is a possibility. We cannot take away death from our own existence. We cannot remove the fact of death in our own existence. And that is the Martin Heidegger phenomenology of death. So, death is certain, death is indefinite, death is one's property, death is relational, and death is not to be outstripped. So it is part of human existence. We cannot take away, we cannot remove death in our own existence. That is the reality, according to Martin Heidegger. Thank you so much, and I hope you have learned a lot. Thank you.